Tell me what you like. Tell me what you like. Go! Tell me what you like. Go!
Welcome back to the RootBSD Technology channel. On the RootBSD channel, we love free and open source software, and we love OpenBSD and all the other BSDs and Linux. And it's been a long week, so tonight we're going to discuss entertainment on OpenBSD. And now, there's plenty of good entertainment options on OpenBSD. Definitely not as much as Linux or Windows or Apple or anything like that. But there are good options for what kind of a system it is. It wasn't really intended for entertainment. The system was never designed for entertainment, but entertainment has made its way on here. And obviously, your first go-to would be the web browsers, watch YouTube or watch Odyssey or PeerTube or whatever. And the only thing is, you can't do Netflix or HBO. There's no there's no DRM in the browser. The only reason in Linux you can do that with browsers is because of Google, because of their Chrome OS. They're directly responsible for that DRM binary, the Widevine binary, being published for Linux, or they funded that or whatever. I don't know. That's what. If I'm wrong, please leave a comment in the comment section. But if you can handle DRM-free streaming. See, I'm not much of a movie watcher anyways, or if I do watch movies, I like old movies. And I like old video games too. I'm just an old soul. So we're going to play some video games too. We're going to discuss video games on OpenBSD. There are some good options. You can play some Steam games. And we're going to also want to show you here this really good document called the OpenBSD Gaming Resources. Mr. Slatterly puts it together. And he generally updates these. Yeah, he updates these all the time. This was just updated just recently. And we're going to play a couple games. We're going to play a game on the Stella emulator. We're going to play some old Atari. Yeah, we're going to play some Yars Revenge. And then we're going to check out megaphone. Megaphone is an excellent emulator. And actually, this stands for my emulator doesn't need an effing emulator name. I know, it's hilarious, right? Really quick, I just got paranoid. Just wondering, am I recording or did I forget to put something on? So let me just double check this. Yeah, it says FMN pigs running. Okay, cool. Also, this is Fluxbox, by the way. Shout out to Syscrash at DistroTube. He got his Raspberry Pi 3B working with Arch Linux, and then he installed Fluxbox, and I was like, oh, I remember Fluxbox. So I just installed Fluxbox and tried to set it up. I like it. It's nice. It's still kind of a mouse-dependent system, but I'm sure there's some key bindings I probably just haven't learned yet. I mean, I probably only had this installed for like an hour or two. Let's see here. So yeah, Mendefin, we're going to play R-Type for the TurboGrafx 16. I want to play some old games. I'm not don't want to get any cease and desist letters from Nintendo. So we'll play some really old stuff that nobody cares about. And also it'll be good on my screencasting. So first off, let's just discuss video games. All right. So here in the OpenBSD gaming resource, he goes through all the different ports, and games, and ports and stuff like that. We don't have the time to go through all that, but we can just kind of go through. It has 0 AD and some of the stuff that you're used to, in Linux that's free. Some notable non-free games like Arx Fatalis, Doom 3, Morrowind works, Barony, which is a game on Steam that works. There's an actual the developer of Barony wrote an engine for OpenBSD. I think he's an OpenBSD user. So DT was talking about companies being Linux friendly and supporting them. Well, the developer of Barony is OpenBSD friendly, so you should support him. Buy his game. He's pretty cool. Oh, can't have videos on during screencasting. That'll slow down the screencasting. But yeah, and you see, I can't tell when the screencasting is getting slow because it looks fine on my end. But anyways, turn that off. And also, this is the Jasperla OpenBSD work in progress ports tree. It's not an official ports tree, so use at your own risk. But they have really interesting thing here. They have Zash 3D that allows you to play Half-Life 1 in Linux. So we'll do that in a video when I get a nicer computer with a nicer GPU. We'll make a video for how to get Half-Life up and running in OpenBSD. It'll be pretty fun. Let's see here too. And there's a lot of multimedia options on OpenBSD. And if you go into the ports tree, you can definitely see right here. We have emulators, multimedia audio programs, and video games. And I think we have a good selection. Not as good as FreeBSD, but we have a good selection. There's also something I just realized I missed. Oh yeah. With the OpenBSD work in progress ports tree, what you do is you just copy paste the folders into your working ports tree, and we'll do a video about how to install the ports tree and the source tree in OpenBSD, and how to set the correct permissions so you're not having to run as root when you do things with ports tree. Pretty neat stuff. And maybe eventually we'll also learn how to patch a port too, how to run patch. I've done it before. It was not a fun learning experience. I got frustrated, but let's see here. All right. So let's just go over my favorite music app and movies, and then we'll go right to the games. All right. So this is my favorite music app on OpenBSD. This is called Clementine. It's a name of an orange, a clementine orange, and it's just a great program. It has a visualizer like Project M. The visualizer is super CPU intensive, so if I try to run it now, it would just bork the screencast. But this will work. This is the Nyan Cat, the Rainbow Nyan Cat. Isn't that neat? I hope you guys like my my custom Clementine theme. I worked really hard on this. Alright. And also, VLC is good for playing DVDs in OpenBSD, and just any other kind of video playback content. But personally, I prefer MPV. That's my favorite video player on OpenBSD, but definitely I use VLC if I want to run a DVD, which I really don't do anymore, but I learned how to do it just for the sake of doing it. So yeah, because who watches DVDs anymore? But you can find them cheap at I live across the street from a thrift store. You buy them for like $1 or $2, and generally they work. If you're a student, it's a cheap form of entertainment, and you own it too. It's not like streamed to you. Screw DRM. DRM sucks, man. If you guys love Stallman, you're gonna hate DRM. Let's see here. What am I doing? I was going to. We're gonna play we're gonna play a video game. That's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna start off with some Yars Revenge. Come on, Stella. Go up. Documents. Yars Revenge. Alright. Yeah, this game is really, really old. It's older than me. But it's fun. I remember playing this back in the old school Atari with the wood grain. So fun. In the analog joysticks and the controls. Alright, let's do this. So the object of the game is you gotta break through this cocoon thing and kill the alien bug. Oh! Code 9. Whatever. Okay. I'm getting you. You're done, mister. Yeah. Watch out, buddy. Okay, oh. That thing comes at you fast. Oh, you see how he hides? This was a clever game for back in the day. You know, I feel like the Atari just doesn't get enough love. Uh-oh. Oh, he's coming after me. Ah. Whoa! You're done. Your days are numbered, buddy. I got you. Oh, I gotta watch out for that. This little noodle that's after me. Watch out, noodle. Oh. I died. Well, that was fun. Alright. I know. I don't want to spend all night. Just you guys can watch how much I suck at these games. Alright, and then let's try Megaphone. Now this is emulating the TurboGrafx 16, and I remember when I was a kid, my dad found somebody had thrown away a TurboGrafx 16 with some games and some booklets in the trash. And my dad found it. I was so happy, but when we tried to plug it in, it didn't work. It was broken. Obviously, there's a reason why they threw it away. So I just remember as a kid just staring at the booklets for this game, just wanted to play it so bad because, you know, I don't know, it looked rad. I didn't have anything like it. I think I had a Super Nintendo at the time. But yeah, let's play this game. R-Type. Blast off and attack the evil Bido Empire. Yeah, let's kill the evil Biden Empire. Oops, did I say that out loud? Oh yeah, what's the... No, I don't want the 6... I want the 2-button mode. Okay, sorry, I forgot what the keys were for a second. I think it's... Yeah, it's D. Alright, let's do this. Let's see how long I can last before I die. Because this game pretty much just... It's a one-hit kill, basically. You get hit one time, you're done. See, these old games, it was a badge of honor to make the game as hard as freaking possible. And then, you know, the players enjoy the challenge. Nowadays, games just kind of hold people's hands. This kind of looks like an interactive movie. This guy does not want to die, just die! Just sick of you guys. Get out of my way. I'm coming through, I'm BSD. Oh crap. Dude, these little alien robots are on me, dude. They kind of look like the aliens from the movie, Aliens vs. Predators. Yeah, these things suck. Let's blow them away. Oh, a power-up! Oh, crap! Did you guys see all those missiles coming after me? And this game is so ruthless, it just starts you over... Oh, wait. No, I'm here now. Okay, so I progressed a little bit. Okay, we got... Whoa! Shoot, that was a... How are you even supposed to... Okay. You know what? That was unfair. Alright, that was fun. While it lasted. So yeah, definitely, also, I was talking about Finifi. Finifi allows you to play Steam games on OpenBSD, and right now, these are some of the games that are supported. Off the top of my head, I've heard of Chasm, Dead Pixels, Scapegoat, I've heard of Fez, Mercenary Kings, I've heard of that game. Owlboy, Salt and Sanctuary, I've heard of that. Shenzhen.io and Space Cam. Those are some brainy games right there. Those games are cool. Stardew Valley works. Terraria, I guess, works. Yep, Terraria works on OpenBSD. Maybe we should we'll get a Steam account. We'll play some Terraria. We'll play some Half-Life. We'll eventually do that. You know, it's not. We gotta have a little bit of fun. It's not all nerd big brain time. Alright, I think I covered everything. It's actually not a lot to cover about entertainment. It's pretty straightforward. Just kind of wanted to show you some cool stuff and, just say hi to you guys. Well, that's all. Have a great night. Bye.